Right, this is it. Off to have a C-section. So I'm finally in a room by myself, so I thought I would just have a little chat, a little update. I had a C-section yesterday. I think I had the operation at around 1:30. It was horrible. I feel like I've been hit by a bus. I had a little girl called Nina Louise, and she's currently weighs 5 pounds and 1 ounce, so she's a tiny baby, and she had to be taken to pediatrics because she was grunting and they were just a bit concerned about her oxygen levels. So I went upstairs to the recovery room straight after having the C-section, and my husband stayed with little baby Nina. The nurses in Nicu said that she's absolutely fine, they're not worried about her, that she's doing really well, that she's kind of breathing on her own. I've been expressing, and I've just got out of the shower. I've just brushed my hair. I feel a bit more human, but yeah, I feel so tired. I feel like I really have just been hit by a bus and dragged down a few streets. The belly, so it is sore, but hopefully I can go and see her in a bit. We're going to try and pump some breast milk, and then yeah, I'm going to go down and see her. But whilst I'm in the room on my own for a change, I thought I would just update you all. You're gonna give her a kiss?
Yeah.
This little piggy went to my This little piggy went gently. Good boy.
Oh, Jetty. It's a baby.
Look at the different sizes and all that.
Oh, you give me a kiss. Oh, nice lovely one up the nose.
You can feel her breathing on him, that's right. Gentle. Gentle. Oops, gentle. Don't